Good day, sir. My name is Florence de Quezada. My topic is all about gender mainstreaming. Gender mainstreaming is the process of assessing the applicant for women and men of any planned action, including gestation, policies, or program in all areas and at all levels. So, kibali, ang gender mainstreaming is the process siya sa women and men planned action, including sa legislation, policy, of program, and all levels. Next is the ultimate goal of gender mainstreaming is to achieve gender equality. The goal of the gender mainstreaming concepts there are 5 goals. Number 1, to forget and strengthen political will to ensure gender equality at the local, regional, national, and global level. So, forget and strengthen kibali political will to ensure the gender equality sa kuan regional siya, national o global level. Number 2, incorporate a gender perspective into the planning process. Kibali gender iya ka-incorporate siya into planning processes. Number 3, use target and specific data to measure policies impact. Magamit ng target sa specific data to measure the policy impact. Number 4, provide decision makers necessary tools and training regarding gender awareness, gender analysis, gender planning. So, mag-provide ng decision makers tools training regarding to aware the gender. Create ng gender analysis of gender planning. Number 5, ensure the cooperation between the government and private sector. So, magkuan ang cooperation sa government and private sector, magkuan sa ila. Next is 3K principle of gender mainstreaming as outlined in the Gender System Handbook 1999. First is empowerment. Empowerment means to focus on promoting and decision-making processes as well to their opportunities to exercise their rights and receive their full potential. So, kibali magkuan ang decision-making to sa ila rights, sa ila opportunities, ila rights o to achieve their full potential. Next is accountability. They include setting clear goals and target monitoring process and take necessary action to ensure that gender mainstreaming is carried out effectively. They involve the organization and institution responsible for promoting gender equality. So, kibali mag-include sila ng ila target goals, setting clear to monitor processes, action, gender mainstreaming. Involve an institution, organization, responsible. So, ito responsible to promote gender equality. Next is integration of effort. Integration of effort. The principle of integration effort to emphasize the need to incorporate gender consideration across all sectors and level of organization institution. They recognize that gender equality is not limit department of program. So, ang gender dili kon limitado sa ila program. By integrating gender perspective, organization can identifying and address biases, discrimination, and biases work toward creating equitable society. So dili dapat magkuan to identify kon ang ila-address bias, discrimination ba or dili. Next is there are the five gender mainstream activities and implementation measures. Number 1, gender sensitive language. The word used addressing both men and women must make both visible. So ang gender kay men and woman both visible, same sila. Kuan yon kibali parehas na niyon about ang gender sensitive kibali. Number 2, gender specific data collection and analysis. Collecting, analysis, and presentation of data should be gender specific. So mag-collect sila ng analysis and presentation of data should be gender danaya ka specific. Number 3, equal access and equal use of service. The different effect of product and service to men and women equally access. Magkuan sila ng different effects sa product, service sa men and women, same daan pag-access nila equally. Number 4, decision must be equal, improve all people. Means measure and strategies must be geared toward balance and equal representation of gender. Measured strategies must be geared so balance and equal ang ila pag-present sa gender. Same daghapon sa number 3. Number 5, equal treatment is integrated into management, paying attention to the different needs of men and women in the workforce. So, tagaan sila ng attention sa ilalahi na mga needs, including sa men and women sa ila workforce. Next is person roles in gender mainstreaming are to number 1, be sensitive to the needs of person without prejudice to gender. So, be sensitive sa ayon imo pan-istorya about sa ila, kung masakitan ba sila or dili. Number 2, value the capabilities of the individual irrespective of gender. I-value mo ang ila kuan individual respective gender. Dili kay lang na bae or laki undi mo dayon i-value. Number 3, make sure that equal opportunity policy is in place at home, at work, and in community. I make sure na